Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Lonvera grass-fed beef liver supplement. You should buy this supplement or not. Does it really work and how much time it will take to give you results? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand Lonvera is a very popular brand and they have 3 to 4 product in today's time, and their each and every product is very popular. Okay, so if we talk about like beef liver, so basically beef liver is a very common supplement in today's time, which is very helpful for joints, bones, hair and skin and nails. Okay, and daily we can say like energy. Okay, so I want to tell you only one thing: if you are going to use these kind of supplements, you will not get results instantly. It will take approx 3 weeks or 4 weeks of time period, and after 3 to 4 weeks you will see some changes in your body. Okay, you will notice some boost energy in your body. And if you are going to use this supplement for joints and bones and hair and skin, then it will also take you can say like approx 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so this is the first thing. And if we talk about like this supplement, basically when you visit on amazon.com, there are hundreds of brands. They are providing grass-fed beef liver supplement, and each and every product is getting good ratings. Like you can see, Nutricost is also a very popular brand, as you know very well, and they also have good ratings, and they also have good ratings. Okay, like there are so many, you can say, brands available online. Okay, so the first thing, you can choose any brand. There is no necessary part like you should use only this brand. There are lots of brands. Okay, and if you are going to buy this product by using this brand, so make sure you are not going to take any kind of subscription, because the subscription is a very big problem in today's time. When you buy a product on this kind of platform, when you place your order, they will activate subscription if you forget to untick subscribe and save option. So you can see there are some customers, they are complaining like subscription is a hidden, you can say like subscription is a very bad part. So I would like to tell you only one thing: you can buy product, you can use product, but don't try to take any kind of subscription. Otherwise you have to make lots of efforts for cancellation. Okay, so this is the information. Now you know very well each and everything. You should buy or not. Yes, definitely from my side you can also buy, but try to buy this product on amazon.com, because the product is easily available on amazon.com. The store is official store. They are not selling the product by using third party. Okay, they have their own store. So you should buy a product on amazon.com. If you have low budget, if you don't have so much money, then you can choose some alternate also, like only in 17 or $18 the same kind of product you will get, and the same kind of quantity you will also get. So you can choose anyone. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.